Hi, this is James, and I am excited to let you know that Luke McGuire is launching ProfileMate on 3rd November 2021 at, listen carefully to the time, 9 a.m. Eastern. Not the usual time, so it is 9 a.m. Eastern, and before that, at 8 a.m. Eastern on the 3rd of November, he is conducting a webinar. Now, you need to jump in on this webinar if you want to discover more about ProfileMate and how it is going to blow your business to the next level, whatever niche that you belong to. Now, I've got a quick demo coming up and a short review of what ProfileMate will do for your business. Now, check out the link below to discover the bonuses that you shall receive when you pick up ProfileMate through my link. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications so that all future videos like these that are going to deliver tips, tricks, and techniques on how to advance your business, you will receive them. So now let's head on over and have a look at the demo and review of ProfileMate.
All right, guys, welcome to the live demo of ProfileMate. I'm going to jump straight into it and show you how to use it and the results it will get you, because at the end of the day, all you care about is this going to get you results and how easy is it to do? So first, I want you to think of any page that would have a following on Instagram that you want to target, right? For example, I'm going to use Tony Robbins in this example in a minute, and ProfileMate's going to go through all of his followers, 5.4 million followers, one by one, and start to then pull the key information that we want to get from hundreds of emails a day, mobile numbers, websites. You can see an example here of the type of thing you'll get. You can then take these emails, take the numbers, take the websites, take the usernames, and then go ahead and mass contact them. So what I'm going to do, find users. I'm going to go for the followers followings. There's other options here as well. We're going to view Tony Robbins followers. Boom. I'm going to hit analyze, and that's how simple it is. You can see here we've already gone through 250, 300, 350, 400 users, and it's going and building me this audience instantly. Now I want you to think for a second, I'm just going to download that. I want you to think for a second, any page that would have an audience that you want to contact. So if you're in affiliate marketing, for example, here's an affiliate marketing page, 64,000 followers. We scan this in ProfileMate, boom. We literally got hundreds of emails here that we can reach out to and contact. Phone numbers, descriptions of what these people do, their names, so on and so forth. If you're in e-commerce, you might want to do Nike. Or any sporting page, right? We took this image here and we went through and got the most engaged users, and you can see all of the different followers and the engagement scores, public emails, and so on and so forth. We did it for cooking. This cooking page here, you can see all of the different results that we got here instantly. And we even did it for a Instagram account that is about Paris, right? Over in France. And again, all of these insane results here. So simply let it run, download the file, and it's going to give us the usernames. Boom, I'm going to copy that, hit analyze users, paste that in there, type Tony Robbins, hit set, and then you'll be provided with all of the key areas and information we can build an audience on, from public emails, phone numbers, websites, engagement scores, what jobs they do, and so on and so forth. We're going to select it all, we're going to hit next. And then ProfileMate is going to go out and start to get all this information for you and provide it to you in a really nice little document like this here. And you can see instantly, we've already gone through a bunch of users. We've got 2 emails so far, and it will continue on like this. So let me pause this for a second and I'll come back in about 60 seconds. All right, we're back, and you can see here we've now got 85 emails and we've scanned through 849 users so far. So you can imagine how many emails we will get when we get up to the 5 million mark there. And the beautiful thing about this is every email is given from the Instagram account with permission for you to contact them. They want to be contacted. And I just want to show you a quick example of one of our main affiliate partners who tried this the other day, just did exactly what I showed you, implemented it here, live in their actual campaign. They did a test campaign for affiliate marketing, sent an affiliate link to the leads they found, and you can see here he's made $1,000. And more, just as impressive in my opinion, 26% open rate, 9.1% click-through rate. It's absolutely insane. And you can see here the $1,000 in sales made here as well. So I think it's an insane tool, and I'm so excited for you to jump in and use this. Never have to pay for ads again, get all the launch week bonuses and whatnot. Now I'm going to jump back into the studio and show you how I will double your money back if you use ProfileMate and you don't get results on day one. It's literally going to be a risk for you not to pick up. So I'll see you back in the studio.
Okay, guys, now when you click on the link below this video, at any time before 9 a.m. on 3rd of November 2021, you will end up on my bonus page. And there is a button there that when you click, you will end up on this page for you to register for that webinar. And this is the registration that is required. And you will receive a notification, and you will also get cash prizes when you are there live for that webinar. Now, you would have heard on the demo or in the demo that Luke McGuire was giving a bold promise that if you do not succeed, he is going to refund you big time. And here is the black and white as well, that if you don't get at least 100 emails on day one of implementing this, he's going to give you $100. So sign up for this training now and don't lose out, because you can get free leads with ProfileMate. All right, guys, so this is the funnel. The front end price of ProfileMate is $47 one time, and OTO number one is a $67 one-time VIP training, where he's going to go deep in how you take the information that you gather from ProfileMate and convert that into sales. OTO 2 is a $47 per month VIP searches, and this upgrade will allow you to 10x your search results. And OTO 3 is between $197 to $497 one time, where you get between 10 and 50 unbranded agency account key licenses, depending on which one you decide to pick up. And the bonuses that Luke and his team is giving away are all within ProfileMate itself. So these are the bonuses that you will receive. All those with the crown are the bonuses that you will pick up when you pick up any one of the OTOs. Now, those without the crowns, for example, the split image into multiple images, add likers heart to your image, post statistics for your account, these are all that everyone gets when you pick up the front end. So the others would only be delivered, or you can click on them once you have got the OTO. Otherwise, it's locked for you. So there you go, guys. I hope that quick walkthrough of ProfileMate has shown you how this powerful software is definitely going to take your game to the next level. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications. And once again, check out the link below to discover the bonuses that you shall receive when you pick up ProfileMate through my link.